Hey, what, a car show? Well, accidentally, I was in San Diego this weekend for a Twitch TV convention. Not for me, but outside my window was this car show. And hey, I thought this was the cutest car because of the sunlight. And then I realized, wait, this is a really cool classic car show. So I decided to take a few pictures. If you've ever been to the San Diego, should I say Marriott Hotel, if you look outside your window, these cars are right there. Not all the time, but this particular weekend, October 17th, 18th, 19th, I believe, it was really nice. I heard music about like 3 in the morning because they were lining up, but that was my favorite car right here. This is it. I saw it. I thought it was cute. And I thought I would share. Sorry that I'm moving the car so much, or the camera, because I was looking at the cars and I didn't want to interfere with people walking. So I just thought I would share that these are the cute cars. And look at this blue color. I love it. They were there all day. I think they started about like 3, 4 in the morning, and there was a line. And I believe I left around like 1, and they were still there, but they were really beautiful. Outside of the window, the hotel from the 12th floor, these cars looked it like they could just be, I don't know, ready for a nice drive. But in the meantime, I was there checking them out. Great lighting. But when I left, that car was pretty much in the shade. But it was nice. I didn't really want to walk around and see what was going on because I had somewhere to be. But I thought I would show you what I was doing. Just checking out these cars. I don't know. It was nice. It was nice. They had a DJ, but this is pretty much it. A little car show in San Diego. It was nice. Yeah, that was one of the rooms I was in. The 12th floor, having a little fun. What about this green car? What do you think? Is that cute? Everybody was walking around, but not too many people, but it was nice. What do you think about it? Do you like these cars? I don't know. It almost looked like they were ready for a showroom, not to be on the freeway. What freeway is that? The 405? And yes, I drove to San Diego, and normally it takes you 2 hours. It was a 3-hour drive. I guess the military was working on something. Yeah, I had one of those rooms up there. It was nice, overlooking. And then there's a concert. I don't know what concert, but it was a nice, beautiful view. So that's pretty much it. I don't have nothing to tell you. I went to the car show. I stayed just a little bit. It was nice. I suggest you go, but now it's over. So maybe you can still like get a room and have a great day. But let me tell you one more thing. At this car show, there was still a line just to get in to park your car. It was like, that's a lot. See, that's me looking up from the top, looking down, and I was like, oh, the sky is absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, I say. Oh, thank you. It was really nice just to have a different point of view and look out. And then as I was looking over, I was like, oh, wait, is that a car show or is that boats? I don't know. It was something. And then I was like, wait, is that a pool? Should I go to the pool? Should I go to the concert over there? Yeah, that was like a concert hall. They had a lot of music. But I was like, well, maybe you should go to the car show. Yeah, neither one. I decided to go home, and I saw this guy driving down the street, and I was like, nice car. And then I saw this guy. He was like, I'm giving up my Ferrari. I don't know if he was doing it or not, but I was like, what's happening over here? No more Ferrari for you? What's the story? I don't know. I should have just mind my business, but when you're in San Diego, you're like, what's happening? I was only here to like It was a surprise romantic trip, right? But I couldn't stay because I had something to do. So I thought it would share. This is what happens when you're trying to go to San Diego for a Twitch TV convention and you realize there's a car show and then you realize you're going to be on the freeway and you see this. You're like, all right, well, I guess that's what San Diego has to offer. Thank you for watching. I had a good time. I don't know, not too much to say, just showing you what it's like just to have a great day. All right, I'll see you next time. Where? At a car show? Maybe. Let's talk about what car I'm going to be driving next. I don't know. You think I can handle one of these? Nope. I don't think so. Can you? Can you drive one of these cars? I don't even know what type of engine or what type of gas. I don't even know how I would keep it clean. That's a lot of responsibilities. Well, I think I've said enough. Thank you so much for watching. Absolutely a pleasure. Yes, a car show. It was fun. I gotta go. Yeah. Walk, walk, walk. Now it's time to get on the freeway. I guess I'll see you next time. Have a good day. This is it. A car show. I'm just trying to share what it's like. Now, this is not my car show. It was free. I saw it out the window. I thought I would share. I have no idea what kind of cars this is, why it's happening, who's running it. I don't know the name, nothing. So I just thought I would share. I hope you like it. What kind of cars is this? Nice shade tree. Not too many people out. It's like maybe they met somewhere else. What do? You park your car and go meet somewhere else? I don't know. I need to go. I'm so sorry I'm so behind on the car shows. I've been kind of busy doing my own little thing. I don't know what, but not car shows. But as soon as I see a nice car, like maybe a Bugatti, a Ferrari, what else kind of car you want to see? Something like really cool. Maybe a Zinger. Those were pretty cool. As soon as I see a car that I really like, I'm going to share it with you. So I just wanted to give you an update. This is what it was like to go to a car show. So guess what? I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you're going to a fun car show that I need to know about. And I'll share. In the meantime, have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.